Good morning. I literally just woke up, fed Cam, and decided to record a video. I wanted to just do a video putting up my hair in my high puff. I posted some pictures on my Instagram lately of my hair in my high puff, and some people were asking me to do a video on it and just talking about my hair, natural hair update. So yeah, Cam's over here just chilling. I just woke up. I just want to show like how I keep my hair, you know, regularly, and like how I put in a puff and all that stuff. But my hair grew so much during my pregnancy all last year. I noticed it when I took my hair out to get it braided for my delivery, and throughout my whole pregnancy I kept my hair in cornrows, so I left it alone. It was able to grow, and then I noticed all the growth when I took my hair out to get it braided. So my hair grew. I don't think I have any hair loss yet. They say it usually happens around like 4 or 5 months, and Cam C is 4 months. He was 4 months 2 days ago. Yeah, 2 days ago. So I haven't experienced anything yet, so I'm kind of like waiting it out to see if it'll happen for me. My sister experienced hair loss postpartum, but my mom didn't, so I'm not sure which way I will go, but we'll see. I'm up for anything. I want to show you guys how I do my hair regularly every day. I maintain my hair in my African print satin bonnet. We have these on our site on Encoma.com, but I keep these on at night, and then what I do is before I go to bed I twist my hair up. So lazy way is twisting my hair like this, just in 2, but regularly I do it in 4. So I do one here, one here, one here, and one here to have 4. But usually, as I said, lazy way, it's like this. And I do it to keep my hair stretched, because my hair will easily revert back or shrink if I don't keep my hair stretched like this throughout the week. I do this so that putting my hair up in a puff will be easy throughout the week. The more stretched it is, the longer it is, the easier it is for me to keep it stretched. And the one thing about my hair is that my stretching happens in like the length of my hair, but not in my roots. My roots stay pretty stretched easily, but it's like if I don't maintain my stretch, then right here will shrink up, but my roots will be like still stretched out. So right now I'm actually due to wash my hair, but I wanted to show you guys how this is. I'm due to wash my hair. I'll probably wash it tomorrow, maybe tomorrow, the weekend, whenever I have a chance, when Chris is home from work, so that he can watch the baby, because sometimes my hair wash days take some time, and I don't know if I'll be able to do it during a whole like nap cycle for Camp C. So all right, so what I do is I just open up the twist I have from overnight. I just open it up with my fingers first, so I can get any mini twists or coils or tangles out. So yeah. All right, so then I take a rat tail comb. Ooh. I take a rat tail comb like this. Let me move this out so I don't get hair all over my clothes. So I use a rat tail comb, and I just use the end of it and just pick my hair out to help open it up more. The fluffier it is, the higher my puff will be, the longer my puff will be, the cuter my puff will be. So I just try to do this so I can fluff it out as much as possible. And I think I'll do like a 4-month update video postpartum. I'm not really like have any like scheduled baby update videos, but I said let me just do one since he just turned 4 months. I can do like an update, so watch out for that video after this one. All right, see how it's getting fluffy? All right, I think that's good enough. See how fluffy that got? Bless you, babies. Bless you. Okay. All right. So there's that. Ooh. All right, so then I take some conditioning cream. This is just the Cantu leave-in conditioning repair cream. I do this to make my hair soft for the high puff. So I actually don't take that much. I don't need that much. I did take a little too much today. So I just put it like here so that it can just soften up my hair so I can brush it up. And I just put it here. I don't put it everywhere because it's moisture and wet, so I don't want my hair to shrink. So I just put it on the edges here so that it can be nice and soft and I can get those waves. Sometimes I can get some good waves with it on. Alright, and then I just take a brush and then just brush it. So it's nice and smooth. Cammy babies. Cammy babies. Cammy babies. So that is all brushed and smooth. And then I just take, sometimes if I want it to be very sleek, I can put gel on top of this. But for today, I know I'll just be running errands today. Nothing like, I won't be dressing up to like for something. So I don't put gel. But as I said, if I was, I would put gel so it's more sleek. So this is a stocking. I just cut it. I think I cut it in half and then pulled it to stretch. So this is what this is. Just take like a pantyhose leg or a stocking, as I said. Make sure it's really long. So, and I pull it so it kind of curls. I don't know if you can see it. I pull it so it curls, and then it will have a whatever. All right, so I always start from the back and pull up from the back. Some people do here, but I like to do it this way. And then I pull it against my hairline and then push it up slowly, cross it up front, and then just start pushing at all sides while I'm pushing up while I'm pulling this so it's tight. And then I'm good. And then I tie it in the back, making sure I like swoop it up in the back so I can get any extra hair that wasn't caught up in the original one, and then twist it here and then tuck in the edges. That's that. After I do that, then I just fluff this out more so it's nice, as poofy and high as I can get it. Cammy babies, what you doing? Okay. It's not even the frame anymore. So yeah. Let me scoot back so you can see my hair. Yep. There. What? You want attention, that's what it is. Aren't I giving you enough attention over here, boy? Huh? Can't you see me? Can't you see me? Okay. So that is up and puffed. Just like to fluff it out so it's nice and even all around as best as I can get it. Okay. Now, you want to be closer to me? I'm trying to record a video here, sir. Can't. Okay, so then I take any type of edge tamer. This one is my favorite edge tamer, the Ebony. This is the Ebony New York Extreme Firm 24-hour edge tamer in the blueberry scent. My favorite edge tamer. And these donuts are so cute. There you go. Now you can see it. It's almost gone. What do you want? Huh? Why you gotta be so needy? Huh? Why you gotta be such a baby? Huh? Now you're looking at me like I'm crazy. Why are you looking at me like I'm crazy? Oh! Oh! That's why mama's back always hurts. You always want to be carried. Okay. Let me finish up my video here, Cam. Okay? This is what I'm trying to do here. Bring my mirror closer to me. Okay, so I just use a edge brush. Whoa! You see, this is why we don't play over here. You good? Okay, let's do this quickly. I'm almost done. All right, so I just ooh, this dried out. I need to get a new one. Cam. You see, we're not doing, this is not what we're doing, okay? I just put these on my edges where I want to swoopies. So sometimes I just use edge tamer just to pull it back, but today I'll just do a little bit of baby edge swoops, baby hair swoops. What I do to secure my edges when I do this, I just take hairspray and just spritz it here, let it dry, and then I just use a scarf to tie off the edges. So this is my scarf I like to use, and then I just finish getting ready for the day, and then when I'm out the door I just take it off. So and sometimes when I'm going to work and I do a high puff, I keep this on until I get to work, and then in the car when I'm about to get out, then I take this off. So that is that. All right, so I'll let this sit a little bit and then I'll show you guys the end result. Super easy. This is a very good if you have literally a busy week and you don't have time to do your hair. This is always what I do to my hair anytime I'm like in between like hairstyles, in between wig styles and stuff. I want to give myself a break from wearing wigs. Yeah, it's winter outside, but it hasn't been the coldest winter, so that's why my hair is still out. But I usually don't have my hair out at all in the winter time, but this year it's a little bit warmer. So all right, so while we are waiting for that to set, Cam, say hi to everybody. Cam, Cammy babies, 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 Cam, Cammy babies. Okay, he's so cute. You're so cute, my baby. All right, so I let that sit for some minutes, and then take it out. And we are nice and fresh. Look at that. Let's do a little close up. See my hair? Then I'm ready for the day. Ready to start my errands. So, yes. So I hope you guys liked that quick video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Say bye, Cam. Bye. Bye guys.